welcome to my channel. We are going to make some crab claws with my take on Alavar sauce. This recipe is inspired by a dish from Zamboanga. To all the Chavacanos out there, and Chavacanas, buenos dias. This is basically a take on their Curacha in Alavar sauce. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking about Curacha. No, it's basically spinach crab in fragrant spiced coconut sauce. So this is my take on it, and I'm going to call it maize Alavar sauce because it's my take on it. So guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's cook. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is add some oil into a wok or a very large pot because we've got quite a lot of crab claws here. There's like 3 claws. So some oil, coconut oil or vegetable oil, whichever oil you've got at home. So we'll have to heat that first. That's heating nicely. First thing we want to do is add the onions. I know I've got lots of onions. I'm using red onions this time. Let that sweat a little bit on like medium to low heat. Smells amazing. So the next thing you want to do is add some ginger, and I pounded this ginger because I want the flavors to like come at you like, yeah, I'm ginger and I'm here to stay. Oh, that smells amazing already. And then the next thing you want to add is some garlic. Then the next thing you want to add is some lemongrass. I didn't cut them very small, so you can just quickly pick that out. But I did crush them, so the juices will come out as well into the sauce. Smells amazing already, guys. So fragrant. And then some turmeric. I pounded these as well. I really want the juices to scream, yes, I'm tasty, and you know it. I want the juices and the flavor to come out, you know, into the sauce. So, oh, smells so good. I have some chilies here, but I'm going to add that at the end. I only got some chili peppers because I didn't want it too chili or spicy for the kids. But I want some kick in there. But if you want it spicy, you can use bird eye chili. Oh my god, what's in there? Right, the next thing we want to do is add some coconut milk. Right. Oh my god. Okay, so I've added the coconut milk. Now I'm going to add some annatto powder dissolved in water. If you have annatto oil, you can use that as well. Annatto or ashwete, basically locally known as annatto, but I guess everyone else calls it ashwete. So I'm going to add that into the sauce. That's what's going to make it the red color as well. And then what I want to add as well is some, I'm guessing this is sort of the closest I'm going to get to a crab fat paste, but this is a crab paste that I got from Waitrose. I at the moment can't find any crab paste that you get from Philippines, but alternatively what I meant is crab fat, okay. But you can get loads of crab paste, so That's what I got here. And it's just going to give that oomph to your sauce as well. I'm going to season our sauce with a bit of salt and some pepper. Some pepper in there. Oh my god, guys, it smells amazing. Ooh, look at that. You know what? This is gonna be so tasty. I can smell it. Oh yeah. The next thing we want to do is add our crabs. And these crabs I bought from Billingsgate. Look at that. Massive. Massive crabs. And I've crushed it a little bit so the sauce will go into the meat. And some of them I kind of cracked it in half. Because I wasn't sure if it's going to fit. So, put it in there. Wow guys, this is going to be so good. I'm just going to add a bit of sauce on top of this crab. Oh my god, you know what? This is going to be so amazing. And I love how sunny it is in London today and I can take really good photos. It's going to be so amazing, guys. Alright guys, so you want to put a lid on there. And turn the heat to low and just let that simmer. If you don't have one, try and put a foil on there with a bit of whole wheat. I'm going to let this simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And while that's simmering, I'm going to clear up and then get back to it later on. I have taken the crab out of the sauce. I'm going to add the chilies in there. So I'm going to reduce this for another 5 minutes. I just want the sauce to be a little bit thicker. Alright guys, so I've taken the sauce off the heat and now I'm going to add it into our crab. Oh my god, this looks amazing, guys. Totally delicious. And you want to add that on there. Actually, you can just pour it. I mean, why not? I'm telling you, you'll need your hands, loads of rice. Absolutely delicious. And you need all that sauce in there. I'm going to add some dill in there and some coconut. How do you kind of pronounce this? I don't know what it is in English, but latte or something, but it's kind of dried latte. So I'm going to use it to sprinkle. It's not burnt, it's just dehydrated coconut, I guess. Anyway, add that on there. Oh, this is so provincial. And a bit of dill. Whoop. You know what I mean? Kind of bougie up a little bit. There you go. And there you have it. My crab claw in maize alavar sauce. So, I need to try it. Guys, you know what time it is? You got it. It's tasting time. So, which one of these claws should I get? Oh, I don't know. They look so perfect. Ooh. Right. Still need to take a photo of this, so I'm going to take this one here. Oh, the little one. I'm going to break in there, guys. break the formation. I'll have to do this. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's so hot. I don't know why I'm whispering. I feel like this is like ASMR kind of thing, but because I cracked it earlier, cracked the shell, it's so much easier now. Oh no. Right guys, be right back. This is so messy. Okay, I'm back. So I'm going to try and peel this off. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's hot. And I got that mess. Oh. So amazing! I'm going to try and take this bit off, but look at that. Can't wait to. So good. My hands. Crabalicious. Let's see. Let's go. So good. Like, you want to lick every single shell. It's so good. Sauce is delicious. The dill goes really nicely with it. Alright guys. Yeah. Guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment or feedback. I would love to hear back from you. The full recipe will be on the description below. So, get cooking! Salamat! Paalam! Curacha. Oh no! Ole!